What's going on, guys? Hopefully we have another unboxing. It's been a while. I don't know what's this one. Maybe it's the 5x5. Yeah, it's the 5x5. And let's see what's inside this. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna use it guys. Okay. We have the RS3M V5 with gun rubber. Okay, guys. Oh my god, look at that cube. This cube comes up with a freebie that holds the cube like a robot. It's just like that Happy Meal that you always get from the McDonald's food chain, fast food chain. The reason why I'm opening this first because this one was the first that I bought. And the second one is this 4x4 that I bought from Christian Magyo. The price of this cube was originally 1,000, but he gave it to me for 300 pesos. And it was a nice transaction deal. Thank you, Christian Magyo. Did I miss something? Okay, I'm having some difficulties about this box. Okay, I'm gonna pause it the video. And as you can see, it's not yet open. Okay. Here's the cube. Look at that. It's like a Happy Meal from McDonald's. It's cute though. I hope the performance of this cube will be great, just like the previous cubes that I bought, like the RS3M 2022, not the version 4, it sucks. Okay, let's get the cube. Okay, I don't know how to open this, maybe I'm just gonna pull it like that. Yeah, like it has some stickers that next beside it. I'm gonna remove that. I'll put one sticker here. Wait, I'm gonna pause it. Okay, let's get the cube. Nice. Here's the cube. What's the percent? Okay, nice. Not too shabby. Wait, I'm gonna pause. Okay, so I guess we got the standard version. Looks nice too. I think this could be a main killer. That could surpass my other main, like the RS3M 2022. Hoping to get 6,000 subs soon because I'm joining the trends just to reach that level. Okay, I wonder where's my other phone. Wait, numbers. Okay, as you hear, there's a caroling outside because it's almost Christmas. I only got 7 days left. Do an example of this cube. The cube is already good without glue, and I don't think I need to put some. Maybe, I don't know. This cube is by far the greatest. I don't know why. I hope I can use this for future comps. That was not good. Okay. Lots of wobbles. 16, 18 that time. Okay. Another song. I think this cube needs some room because of the instability. Okay, we did some ZZ method. Okay, 1024, not bad. Okay, I'm gonna put some room because it's so much uncontrollable and I can't turn it very well. Wait guys, I'll put some room, about 3 drops to make it more controllable. Okay, 48, 49. Nice! Sub 50 on cam. Okay, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. See you 6,000 subs. Ciao. Peace.